So this tutorial is going to be about a silk flower, the fabric popularly known as organza. Are you ready? So we're going to be needing circles. After trimming the circles, because of the nature of the fabric, we get a candle and just burn the edges. Now, this particular style of burning can also apply to certain fabrics as well, but the result will be slightly different. So as many circles as we'll be needing for this project, we're going to be burning them all. So we're done burning and want to make the flowers now. It's going to be a very simple flower, so just put the flowers on top of each other like this. That's pretty much about it. There's no other special technique, so we'll just get as many flowers for the project, put it beside it. Don't put any one on top of each other directly unless they are different sizes and the other one is obviously smaller. So just put the three like that, put another one on top of it, you know, or at the back, however you think is okay. Fix the other one, and that's how we're going to keep going. So put that at the middle, put the smaller one inside, put the smallest one inside it, and that's pretty much it. We use a needle and thread to sew it together, and voila, that's how simple it is. We'll just take either a brooch or a stone and plant it at the middle, and honestly that's the end of the flower. So I just tied it together, and I'll just use my glue gun to just pour a little bit in onto the middle, and I'll get my brooch and put it inside there. I could use pearls to put it inside. I could get artificial flower stems and put it inside. Whatever it is that you want to fix in middle, it's absolutely up to you. You could also even decide to leave the middle like that. It's up to you if you want to. So this is what the flower looks like. That's what the back looks like. Do you like it? So that's about it. We're going to jump to another type. Now this second type, we're still going to do the same circle and burning method, but this time around it's going to be slightly a different method. Get a circle with the hardest felt as the base, and what we're going to do is to apply gum to the middle and just fold it together. So the gum is supposed to help you stay in middle. Let me just explain again. This flower, we're going to be folding it into 4. Okay, so the first one we'll just put it down right there. So now what we're folding is to put the gum middle, put it at the side and fold it together so that the folding that we made will stay put. So we'll put the gum at the back and just put it down beside the first one. That's how we're going to keep going. In middle, fold it together, it stays, and then put another gum in middle, fold it together, it stays, put another gum at the back and put it down on the hardest stay base that we kept right there. So we're going to keep doing that until it is full. So we're going to just do that, put another one on top of it to fill that extra space that is left. So that's the first layer. So we'll go in with the second and third layer if necessary. But because that base I made is very small, we'll need about 2 or a maximum of 3 layers. So that's what we're going to keep doing. So get to that one, put it in the middle, fold it, put it at the side and fold it. We're putting the gum multiple times because if you don't do that, it will just raise up. Silk is a very slimy fabric and it easily flies. That's why even as we put it down, you can see it still raise itself up. We'll get another one, put it on top of it. As you can see, the space is closing up, so we may not need to put so much anymore. So but this is about the last one we're going to be putting right there. Having done that, the next thing we're going to do is to put a brooch, a very tiny stone, a pearl, or we could just use anything. Different types of stones and pearls would do. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put here. So whatever my hand picks. Okay, it picked the star and I'll just put it in there. And that's about it. I could just change my mind and put something else. So let me just put it out and go in with this other smaller one, and I'll just plant it in there. And that's pretty much about this flower. So you could use it for anything of your choice. Like I always say, anything would go for this flower. Is absolutely up to you. Thanks so much for watching. Ask me any question that you are not sure of. Let me see your work when you are done. Thanks so much. Bye.